Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm making some homemade chicken enchiladas, and I'm using the homemade enchilada sauce that I did in the video earlier. So it ought to be good. Let me bring you in a little closer and show you how I'm doing this. I thought I'd show you the last piece of chicken. I'm going through and I'm cleaning it. I've got 4.5 pounds almost. So I'm just taking off all this fat, and I am going to cut that because I don't want that grizzly, because we're pulling this apart, so it's not really wasting any of that bloody spot, and take it out. And if you know there's going to be a grizzly spot like that, I reach in with my scissors cut it out, just like so. Okay. Now this is all cleaned up. I'm gonna flip it over on this side, the back way. Here I got the generic ranch chipotle seasoning powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on each side. Just like so. All right. Now, in my slow cooker, I've got it set on high for 4 hours. Been warming up. I'm spraying it with hand because it's an easy cleanup. Alright. In here, I got 1 cup of hot water, and I put in about a teaspoon of chicken stock. I'm just going to pour that in there first. In that, I'm going to sprinkle a little cilantro, probably about a teaspoon in there. And I'm going to take a little bit of ground cumin, one teaspoon. And put that in there. Now I'm just going to layer these in there and let them cook. There. And I'm just going to spread the chipotle seasoning over the top a little. That in my sink. I'm going to pull you over a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. You can see in there. I am going to take half of, I've got organic dry diced green chilies. About 3 tablespoons. Yep. And then I'm going to leave a little bit extra for the sauce. Actually, I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. And this is what it looks like. Okay, set my lid on and let it cook on high for a couple hours until the chicken can be pulled apart, or the temp should be 165. All right, I'll be back when it's time to put everything together. Okay, chicken's done. I put it in my mixer and I just run it through so it would shred. Set that aside there for a minute. Now I do got some stocking stuff in there. So I am going to heat up a little bit of the enchilada sauce that I made up. With that, I'm going to put that on high. Start it again. There's a half a cup there, because I still need some for the top. So let's see how that works, huh? A little whisk. Stir it up in there. Smells really good. Okay. Use this. Okay. Stick this chicken back in there. Out of the bowl. Stir it around. And there we go. Chicken's ready. Now all I gotta do is heat up my taco shells, which I'm using the corn tortillas. And that's ready. The filling's all done. So let me put that in there. And then I'm just going to put this on warm. Now, oops. So, I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the pan, or olive oil probably, and I'm going to brown the shells, put them on paper towel, and then I will be back when I'm ready for the next step. Okay, so I'll show you what I've been doing. I've already heated the one side of these. Like I said, they break very easily. Roll it up, layer it in your pan, and push them until you get them all done. See it like that. Then when we're done with that, I'm going to bake it in the oven without nothing on it, just like that, for about 10-15 minutes, because I want them tops to get hard. And then we'll put some sauce on there, and the enchilada sauce on there. Enchilada sauce on there. Not very tightly wrapped, I must say. Grab the ones from the bottom. I mean, you can dip this in the enchilada sauce or put enchilada on the inside. I don't. Charlie and Willie are helping. See how easy these break? Very frustrating. There. Alright, be back when it's put in the oven. I've got the oven set at 325 or 375. I'm going to bump it up to 425. Let's see, bake. Because I want that high heat on here to harden up those shells. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. Now I'm just going to pour a little bit of this enchilada sauce. Oops, hold on. My timer. Okay, I'm going to pour some of this enchilada sauce right in the middle of it. You don't want it all the way. Like so. Now comes time for cheese. Now husband wants both cheeses on it. So first I'm going to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese right down the middle. You don't need a massive amount. We're going to take some Kobe Jack. Put right over the top of that. And I still got my oven set at 425. There we go. And I'm going to put it in there until it's golden brown and bubbly. Probably about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Alright, I'll be back in a few. Alright, look at how beautiful that turned out. The edges are crispy. This is golden brown. I'm going to let it cool because my kids are coming over for dinner. And I'm telling you, it is amazing. I want to thank you for stopping by. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.